let's dive right into the amazing world of light, shadows, and reflections. It's going to be fun.
So, let's kick things off with a puzzle. By the end of this, you'll know the answer.
Okay, first, the basics. Light is a type of energy, and it always travels in a straight line. Now, objects either make their own light, like the sun, or they just bounce light from somewhere else.
So, what happens when that light actually runs into something? Well, it all depends on the material.
Some materials are transparent. That means they let all the light pass right through them. Think about clear glass or water. You can see through them perfectly, no problem at all. Then you've got translucent materials. They let some light through, but it gets scattered and blurry.
Frosted glass is a great example of this. You can see light, but you can't really make out any details.
And finally, opaque objects. These guys are total light blockers. Nothing gets through. Most things around you are actually opaque, like your desk or the wall in front of you. Which leads to a cool question. If an object blocks light, what's going on behind it?
You get a shadow. It's really just an area where the light from a source couldn't reach.
And to get a shadow, you always need these three things: a light, an object, and a surface. What's really interesting is that shadows are always black, and they only show an object's outline.
An outline isn't the whole story, though. Unlike a shadow, an image can capture color and all the details.
A super simple pinhole camera actually proves this. It uses light's straight path to form an image.
And this gets us back to our puzzle. A shadow is just a black outline, but an image has color.
You know, nature even has its own pinhole cameras. Gaps between leaves can project tiny images of the sun.
But the clearest images, those are formed by reflection, when light bounces off a smooth, shiny surface.
That's exactly how a mirror works. Light from you hits it and bounces straight back to your eyes.
Which leaves us with one last thing to think about. How can we use this to see around corners?